Lesson 4.3c, Analyzing Graphs of Proportional Relationships. We've learned that we can describe a proportional relationship with the equation y is equal to kx. And the constant of proportionality, k, tells us how steep the graph of the relationship is. The greater the absolute value of k, the steeper the line. We can see the graphed line is not as steep on this grid as in this one. This one's more steep. The steepness of the line is its slope. The slope of this line is more steep than the slope of this line. The slope is like the slope of a hill, like the side of a hill. So this is less steep on this hill, and this is more steep on this hill. Now take a look at this coordinate plane here. We can see the x-axis is the time in minutes. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. And our y-axis is distance in miles. We have 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles. And the graph shows the relationship between time in minutes and the number of miles an athlete runs. Write an equation for this relationship. We choose a point on the graph and tell what the point represents. And the point for the ordered pair 10 for x and 2 for y represents the distance, 2 miles, that an athlete runs in 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes for 2 miles. Now we find the constant of proportionality, that's k. Now, because the distance divided by the time is equal to 2 divided by 10, k is 1/5. We have 1/5 for k, 2 for y, and 10 for x. So our equation of y is equal to k multiplied to x is 2 is equal to 1/5 multiplied to 10. Now that we have our equation, this is a proportional relationship because the points make a straight line and the line goes through the origin 0, 0. The point at 0, 0 represents the athlete running 0 miles for distance in 0 minutes time. The point 1 for x and 1/5 for y is the unit rate of running 1/5 mile per minute. 1/5 is the constant of proportionality. That's k. Here we have graph A and graph B. We can see this one is not as steep as this one. This one's more steep, isn't it? The greater the constant of proportionality, the greater the value of k, the steeper the line. If we have y is equal to kx, we can use 8 for x and 1 for y, and substituting it into this equation, we have 1 as the y is equal to 1/8 times 8. 1/8 times 8 is equal to 1. We know the constant of proportionality in this graph is 1/8. In this graph, we can choose 8 for x and 2 for y and substitute it into this equation. We're going to get 2 is equal to 1/4 8. So here we have 1/8 for k, and here we have 1/4 for k. And 1/4 is greater than 1/8. So graph B is more steep. The greater the constant of proportionality, the steeper the line. The points on this graph were plotted from the ordered pairs 1 for x and 5/10 for y, 2 for x and 1 for y, 3 for x and 1 and 5/10 for y, 4 for x, 2 for y, and 5 for x, 2 and 5/10 for y. What is the constant of proportionality? K. Well, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5/10. That would be 5/10 over 1. That's the unit rate. The y value of the unit rate is k. The constant of proportionality is 5/10. That's y, when it's a unit rate. So what is the equation for y is equal to kx? Well, it would be 5/10 is equal to 5/10 times 1. Here it's telling us to find the constant of proportionality for a graph with these ordered pairs. We have 10 for x and 25 hundredths for y. We have 20 for x and 5 tenths for y. We have 30 for x and 75 hundredths for y, and 40 for x and 1 for y. So we think we can use y divided by x is equal to k. That is going to solve for k to help us find the constant of proportionality. So we can write 1 over 40 as y over x. We know 1/40th is equal to k. The constant of proportionality is 1/40th. We have y is equal to 1/40th x. We can find the constant of proportionality from the ordered pairs of a point on a graph. We pick a point from the graph and substitute the value of the x-coordinate for x and substitute the value of the y-coordinate for y in the equation k is equal to y divided by x. That way we are solving for k, the constant of proportionality. And we could also use the equation y is equal to kx. If we pick 3 for x and 42 for y, we can do 42 divided by 3. We get 10 and 5 tenths. We know k, the constant of proportionality, is 10 and 5 tenths. We're finished with 4.3c. We're going to go on to the going further section at the end of this lesson, and that's assessing proportionality, examining relationships. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope you like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye.